Case Study Series, Improvement of Assembly for an Injection Molded Part. Assembly Requirement. Stick this lens to the main part. Leakage is not allowed as this is an outdoor electronic product. At first, we did it this way as request. Glue the lens. Then press and stick it to the main part. Hold it with the clamp. Wait for the glue get dry. This way too much time, and could not make sure all the parts passed the leakage testing. Therefore, we came up with an idea and discussed with the customer to improve the design, that's create a clip structure. Made a fixture for assembling. Let's see how it works. It's much easier, faster, and the assembly is firmer.